So, biochemical characterization of transforming principle. The transforming principle was proposed by Griffith. Generally, what type of material transforming from smooth to rough? That means heat killed bacteria to rough type. The rough type becomes to smooth type. In this, what type of the chemical is a transfer? Generally, the Griffith does not concluded the chemical characterization of these chemical compound that transfer from the heat kill to rough type. The next step is biochemical characterization of transforming principle. Transforming principle lo ఏది అసలు chemical compound ఏంటి? In this experiment conducted by Oswald Avery, Colin McLeod and McCord. These three scientists, isolation of these chemicals or purification of these chemicals on transforming principle. In this heat killed it contains smooth type of the bacteria. The smooth type of bacteria killed by heat. It contains some of the chemical. These chemicals are taken in five test tubes. In this, all of these heat kill chemical liquid taken in all of these test tube. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this, the first one, adding of one of the enzyme polyases. That means carbohydrate hydrolyzing enzymes. In this, the second test tube, adding of RNAs. RNAs dissolve RNA chemical. In this third one, lipases. These are dissolved in lipid compounds. In this, the fourth one, adding DNAses. These DNA molecule hydrolyze of these component. Only the DNA molecule is hydrolyzed by these DNAs. And the last one is proteases. All these proteins are hydrolyzed by this action of the proteases. And then adding of live type of rough strains. All of these live rough. All of these adding of live rough. In this, the first one, the polyases act on only the carbohydrate. All of these chemicals are present except hydrolysis of these carbohydrate plus live rough type of these bacteria injected into the mice. These can be dead. The second type, RNAs. RNAs act on RNA molecule plus RNA molecule. All of these RNA molecules are hydrolyzed and remaining chemical compounds are present In this test tube, adding of live type of the rough type bacteria. In this adding of are injected into the mice. It is also dead. And third type of the test tube, lipase. The lipase act on lipids and remaining chemicals are present in addition to with the live type of the rough type. Is injected into the mice. It is also dead. And RNAs, DNAs, the DNAs molecule act on DNA molecule. All of these DNA molecules dissolved by this action of the DNAs. So, in addition to this live type of the R type, this injected into another mice, it can be live. And fifth type of the test tube, adding of the proteases. The proteases act on protein molecule. In addition to this L type, that means live rough type, adding to the another mice, it is also dead. What type of these material inhibit of these transformation process? DNAs. So DNAs act on DNA molecule. Therefore, DNA is directly transferred from heat kill to rough type. Heat kill to rough type. Therefore, the rough type becomes too smooth. The smooth which causes disease. In this experiment, generally the DNA transferred from heat killed to rough, the rough type becomes too smooth. Therefore, in this transforming principle, DNA molecule is directly transferred from the heat killed of this chemical compound to the rough type. The rough type becomes too smooth. The smooth causes pneumonia. That is the biochemical characterization. Generally, the genetic material is a conformed DNA molecule. But some of these biologists does not believe the DNA act as a genetic material. So the next step or next experiment, Hershey and Chase in the T2 bacteriophage.